What is heat? Heat is a form of energy that flows from a warmer material to a colder one. Imagine a cup of hot chocolate on a table. If you put some ice cubes in the hot chocolate drink, what do you think will happen to the hot chocolate? What will happen to the ice cubes? The chocolate drink is hot, while the ice cubes are cold. When mixed, the chocolate drink cools down, and the ice cubes warm up and melt. Heat flows from the hot chocolate to the ice cubes. Temperature? If there is a difference in temperatures between two objects, heat flows. Temperature is a measurement of how hot or cold something is. If you put a scoop of ice cream into a warm bowl, what will be the direction of the flow of heat? Heat flows from an object with a higher temperature object to one with a lower temperature. Since the bowl is warmer than the ice cream, heat flows from the bowl to the ice cream. Sources of heat are objects that produce heat. They can be natural or artificial. Natural sources of heat occur naturally. Artificial sources of heat are man-made and are not found naturally. Natural sources of heat: volcano, sun, hot spring. Artificial sources of heat: hand dryer, oven, hair dryer. How does heat flow in solids? Heat can flow through a solid. This movement is called conduction. Heat is conducted from the hot end of the solid to its cooler end. Conductors. Thermal conductors are objects that allow heat to flow easily through them. Metals such as copper, gold, and aluminum are conductors. Examples of conductors: copper, gold, aluminum. Insulators. Thermal insulators are objects that do not allow heat to flow easily through them. Fabric, wood, and foam are insulators. Examples of insulators: fabric, wood, foam. How heat changes objects. Adding, heating, or removing heat, cooling, from an object can change its state of matter. Changes in an object caused by heat can be reversible. These are changes that can be undone. The object can go back to its original form. Irreversible. These are changes that can't be undone. The object completely changes or becomes another substance. Example of reversible change. Example of reversible change.
Examples of irreversible change. Examples of irreversible change.
Summary. Heat is a form of energy. It moves from warmer to colder objects. There are several sources of heat. Sources of heat include the sun, fire, appliances, and more. Heat can change the form of an object. These changes can either be reversible or irreversible.